Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topic of my interest is ORCID. It is submitted to Dr. Zishan Yusuf. ORCID stands for Open Researcher and Contributor ID. Here question arises, who can use ORCID? Anyone who involves in research, scholarship or innovation may register an ORCID ID for themselves as a free of cost, and same ID can be used throughout the whole career, even if your name changes or you migrate to a different organization, discipline or country. Let's see how anyone can register ORCID account. You have to follow just 5 steps. In first step, go to official website, then register your account by providing simple details. After completing sign up, first of all you have to verify your email account, then add biography. At last, link your ID to journals and publishers. Let's start. Go to official website. Click on sign in or register. I already have an account, so I registered with different email. First name, second name, email, confirm your email. Here is option for secondary email. I don't need it, so I skip this box. Next, here you have to create your password. Confirm your password. Now here are options for visibility and terms. I choose everyone. Everyone can see my ORCID account except private policy. Select you are not robot. Register. Verify your email address. After verification, you are able to use ORCID ID. You have completed 3 steps. Steps are remaining: biography and link your ID. I will explain these points later. Many more IDs are used for this purpose, like Scopus ID, Researcher ID, Pabloon ID, etc. Now I would like to mention here some advantages and reasons for using ORCID ID. An ORCID is a digital identifier that distinguishes you from every other researcher or contributor, even those who share your name. Sometimes it becomes difficult to identify of a researcher activities, such as his research work and publications, especially when a number of researchers exist with the same name. Your ORCID ID is fully owned and controlled by you. No one can see your information. There are privacy options you can mark as only visible to me, and no one can update your record without your permission. Nowadays, many publishers, Elsevier, Taylor and Francis, Springer, etc., ask to provide your ORCID while submitting a manuscript. Take a look on some articles having ORCID ID. Then I will show you how we can check author's profile. This article has ORCID samples by author Zishan Yusuf and Muhammad Zaimul Haq Bhatti. An authors tab will be opened by clicking on this symbol automatically. Two points are remaining for discussion. In biography, you can add employment details, as Dr. Zishan Yusuf is Assistant Professor in Mathematics Department at University of the Punjab, Lahore. Similarly, you can add education, qualification, membership and services. As he is a member of Pakistan Physical Society Islamabad and also he is a member of Group of Gravitation and Cosmology Lahore funding and his work. Here 81 articles are added while his articles are more than 100. At last I show you how to join ORCID ID to different journals. For example, I have to submit my article in Elsevier Publisher. For submitting your article, you have to find a journal related to your field. Let's say I want to submit my article in Fuel Journal. You don't have an account. Register now. See, you can provide ORCID details for your registration. In this way, you can create your account and then submit your article. Thank you for watching.